In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shared files from your view in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your Shared with Me section without deleting anything or affecting anyone else's access. First, sign into Google Drive. You can do this from any modern browser. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signed into the account where the shared file or folder appears. That way, you're looking at the right drive. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the Shared with Me tab. This area shows files and folders that other people have shared with you. Think of it as a feed of shared content, not your personal storage. Clicking it will display items sorted by when they were shared, which can help you quickly spot recent additions. Next, scan through the list to find the file or folder you want to remove from your view. You can use the search bar at the top to narrow things down by name if there's a lot in there, or glance at the Shared By column to confirm who shared it with you. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct item, especially if there are similar names. When you've found the item, right-click on it. This opens a context menu with several options related to that file or folder. From that menu, click Remove. You may notice a brief confirmation message appear near the bottom of your screen, indicating that the item has been removed from your Shared with Me view. It's important to understand what this does. Removing a shared file or folder from your view does not delete the source file, and it does not revoke the owner's access or anyone else's permissions. You're simply hiding it from your own Shared with Me section to keep things tidy. The owner won't be notified, and nothing about the original file changes. If you ever open the file again from a direct link or it's shared with you again, it may show up in your Drive views once more because your access still exists. Think of this as decluttering your workspace rather than removing access. This is especially helpful when you've finished a project or no longer need quick access to someone else's document, but you want to avoid altering or deleting anything. And that's it. Log in, go to Shared with Me, locate your item, right-click, and choose Remove. A quick, clean way to keep your Google Drive focused on what matters most to you.